key to remember in tonight's homework is that we want to get each equation into y equals mx plus b form. The reason we want it in this form is because the m in this equation represents the slope, and the b represents the y-intercept. So the number in front of x, which we call the coefficient, is the slope, and the constant number is the y-intercept. So here, our slope would be 3, the y-intercept would be negative 1/2. If we want slope-intercept form, again, this is slope-intercept form, get y alone. We want to subtract 5x from both sides. 6y equals negative 5x minus 18. Divide each term by 6. Your answer would be y equals negative 5/6x minus 3. The slope here would be negative 5/6, and the y-intercept would be negative 3. So again, if they ask you for slope, you have to get it into this form, y equals mx plus b, in order to find the slope in front of x, the coefficient, and the y-intercept b. So start off by getting y alone here. Divide each term by negative 2. Y equals positive 3/2 x minus 3. The two negatives simplify to become positive 3/2. And our slope again is the coefficient in front of x. You would do the same steps here, but this time they're asking you for the y-intercept, which, remember, is b. Graph the line using the slope and y-intercept. It already is into y equals mx plus b form, slope-intercept form. This would be the first point on your graph. From there, move up 1, right 3. And plot your next point. We would continue in this pattern until we reach the end of our graph. We could also move down 1 and left 3. Again, continuing until we reach the end of the graph. Connect your points and make sure to put arrows at each end, showing that linear functions are continuous and they would go on and on forever. On the back side, are these two lines parallel? Again, in order to find parallel lines have the same slope, if I give you 2 points, remember to find the slope, we take 5 minus 4 over 5 minus 3 to get 1 over 2. So the slope for this line is 1/2. The slope for the other line, 3 minus 1 over 6 minus 2 would simplify to 2 over 4, which does simplify to 1/2. Since these slopes are the same, yes, they are parallel. You can already tell from the picture that these are not parallel. Parallel lines never touch. You can tell right here that no, they are not parallel because they intersect. Another way of telling if these are parallel or not is by looking at the slope. Here we have a slope of 2. Here we have a slope of negative 1/2. Slopes are not the same. Negative 1/7 and positive 7. No, they are not parallel because they are not the same. Negative 5 thirds, yes, they are the same.